Hello, welcome. My name is Sarah, and this is a 5-minute guided meditation for beginners. In this meditation, we will focus on connecting to your breath, which will help you feel a sense of inner peace, groundedness, and expanded awareness to the present moment. Whenever you're ready, we'll begin by sitting in a comfortable seat. Roll your shoulders up and back, and lengthen from the base of your spine all the way to the tip of your crown. On each hand, bring the tips of your pointer fingers to your thumbs for chin mudra, and gently place the back of your hands on your knees. This mudra helps to redirect energy back into your body during meditation. Gently close your eyes here. Bring attention to the points of contact of your body and the earth. Notice your legs and pelvis touching the earth. With each breath you take, allow your body to sink in further, grounding you here in the moment to the earth. Take a full breath in through your nose, and feel your belly expand outwards as you draw the breath in. As you exhale through your mouth, sigh it out, and feel your belly empty. Take another deep inhale through your nose, breathing into your heart center. Exhale, full breath out through the mouth. On your next inhale, breathe in, expanding your belly, and continue to draw the breath up into your heart center. Now pause for a moment and hold the breath in here. Sip in a little more air. Now exhale, let it go. As you release this breath, also release any tension in your body and allow yourself to relax. Seal your lips and contract the muscles at the back of your throat. This is called your ujayyi breath. We will continue to breathe in and out through the nose for the rest of this meditation. Take a full breath in through your nose. And exhale, full breath out through your nose. Every inhale lengthens your spine, and every exhale grounds you back down through your legs. Take a full breath in. Exhale, full breath out. Take another deep inhale. Deep exhale. Take a full breath in. Exhale, full breath out. Inhale once more and bring your awareness to your breath. Exhale, breathe out. Take another deep inhale. Deep exhale. Continue to breathe and anchor your awareness to your breath. Breathing in and breathing out. Allow yourself to relax your mind and your body. Now that your body is relaxed, breathe in and allow yourself to focus on that calming feeling within your body. Now take a full exhale and allow yourself to sink deeper in that inner feeling of peace. Take another inhale and draw that sense of calming energy up into your heart center. Exhale and allow that calming energy to expand outwards to include the space around your body. Take a full breath in. Full breath out. Take another deep inhale. Deep exhale. Take a full breath in. Exhale, full breath out. Continue to breathe on your own, focusing your attention on your breath and feeling of peace. Check in with your body. Check in with your breath. Take a full breath in. Full breath out. Take another deep inhale. Deep exhale. Take one more full breath in. One more full breath out. Whenever you're ready, you can flutter your eyes open and continue on with the rest of your day.